What do you think essentially helped Heidelin win the gold medal in Tokyo Olympics? Let's rewatch her winning moment.
Philippines, the wait is over! The gold is yours!
What do you observe from the way she carried the weight? Looking closely, we can see that Heidelin made sure that when she lifted the weight, there is no angle of inclination with respect to her shoulder to prevent the weight from falling as caused by rotational motion, which will result to difficulty in balance. Did you know that it was her most crucial moment? Even a little angle of inclination will make her arms rotate, resulting to turning effect which we call torque. So what is torque? Torque is the turning effect of force, or simply called turning force. According to University of Guelph, torque is the cross product between the force vector and the distance vector, where F is the force applied, d is the distance, and theta is the angle between the force applied and the distance. In a system where torque exists, the main components are the following: the weight, which is the downward force; the fulcrum, which is the pivot point or the axis of rotation; and the moment arm, which is the distance from the fulcrum to the weight. Here are some examples. A. When two unequal weights are situated in two opposite but equal moment arms, the seesaw will rotate to the direction where weight is greater. B. When we push the door close to the hinge, it will open not as wide as when we push it near the door handle. This is because the torque is smaller due to shorter moment arm. C. When our arm is positioned perpendicular to the door surface, the torque is at maximum. But when the positioning of our arm is not perpendicular to the door surface, torque is lesser. Let's go back to Heidelin's weightlifting video. Let's look at it in a three-dimensional space. In the XY plane, here, the fulcrum is Heidelin's shoulder, and the moment arm is the length of her arm. Since she made sure that there is no angle of inclination, then theta is 0. Based on our equation, tau is equal to Ft sine theta. Since theta is 0, therefore tau is equal to 0. In the YZ plane, leftward and rightward torques cancel out because they have the same magnitude. So next time, when you lift or push anything, you already know how to preserve much of your energy by applying the concept of torque.